JAKI CD2 automatic button feeding device installation. 1. Installation stand and table leveling. 2. Place the feeding device. Determine if the head height matches the feed device. 3. Raise the head based on the height of the feeding device. Determine the head height. 4. Pad height. Fill oil pan and install the machine head. 5. Install the display screen. 6. Fine-tune the position of the feeding device. The clamp should be parallel and horizontal to the arm. That is, the lower end of the clamp is parallel to the upper edge of the claw base. The claw is in the center of the clamp. 7. Punch holes and fix the feeding device. 8. Confirm the shape of buttons and sample stitching.